Chitty, what are you doing? No, no, no. No, Chitty. No, Chitty Ma. No, 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 no. No bread for you. No, no, no. No bread for you, little bunny. No, no, no. No bread for you. Aw, oh, poor bunny. But she can't have any bread. You know? She can't have. Bunny can't have their bread. Okay, good. Yep, tasty grass. Definitely no bread. No, 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 no. Hey, no, no, no. I said no. I said no. Hello? I said no. No means no. Really, Bunny? Bread is not for you. Silly. Oh, silly Bunny. You can't eat any of the bread. No, no. I said no. Okay. I said no. Hello? I said no. No, 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 no. Aw, Chitty, you're too silly, you know that?